final international conference on the 4th of June, we discussed with over 80 guests the success of our project. We shared successful mentoring stories and demonstrated the online platform, e-mentoring model, and the open educational resources. I'm speaking with Angelica from the Social Innovation Fund, the project coordinator.
The final international conference was very successful indeed. The opening statements were given by Mr. Aivaras Tušas, a Vice Minister of the Ministry of Social Security and Labor of Lithuania, and by Mrs. Irina Volungevičienė, Vice President of the European Distance and E-Learning Network. The welcome speech and presentation was also given by Inga Balnanosienė from Kaunas Labor Exchange Office in Lithuania. She made a presentation, Labor Exchange Office Strategies Towards Youth Employment. We were very excited to have such a large number of participants, and 40 of them were our international guests, and all the participants were representatives of the universities, colleges, enterprises, non-governmental organizations, mass media, and other institutions.
The participants were very much impressed with the conference because it was highly interactive with grouped activities and panel discussions. The conference was facilitated as an adult educational activity.
Because we had simultaneous translation to both English and Lithuanian languages, we had a very big number of local participants in the conference.
At the end of the conference, the recommendations for mainstreaming the e-mentoring model into educational policies were presented and will be sent to the European Commission and the partners' national authorities. In addition, they will be placed on the project's website.